Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss an option that is used for credit posting for retail customers. To activate this, open Logic Admin, navigate to Global Settings, and under the Pause to options, you can find the option labeled Credit Amount Posting for Retail Customers. The same option is available in Sale Bill configuration, but it is required to be set individually for each series. Using Logic Admin's global settings, this option can be implemented for all series and branches at one go. The drop-down provides multiple options for credit posting. Let's discuss them one by one. Firstly, we will look at the option Post Against Retail Customer for non-home delivery only. Once all the settings are configured, save the changes and restart the software. Now, initiate a new transaction. Search for or create a new customer. Before saving the bill, click on Bill Type, where you will see three options: regular, home delivery, and takeaway. As per the enabled option, in the case of regular and takeaway, the credit amount posting will be done in the retail customer's name. Finally, let's review the posting in the journal report. You can clearly see that the credit amount has been posted under the retail customer account as configured. Now, let's review the second option. Do not post the entry. This means that the credit amount will not be posted under the retail customer account, regardless of the bill type chosen. After selecting this option, save the settings and restart the software. Now, let's enter a new transaction and select a customer name. Based on the option we enabled earlier in admin, no matter which of the three bill types I choose, the credit amount will not be posted under the retail customer's account. Instead, it will be posted under the default customer account. So, let's save this entry by making a partial payment in cash and the remaining amount through credit. Once the entry is saved, let's check the posting in the journal report. Here, you can clearly see that instead of the retail customer's name, the credit posting has been made under the default customer account. Moving on to the third and last option, this setting will always post the credit amount under the retail customer account, whether the bill type is home delivery or non-home delivery. Once you select this option, save the settings and restart the software to review how it works. Now, let's create a new sale bill. Select or create the retail customer. Because we have enabled this option, no matter which of the three bill types you choose, the posting of the credit amount will be done only in the retail customer's account. For instance, let's select Takeaway. In the payment window, make a partial payment in cash and post the remaining amount to credit. Once the bill is saved, open the journal book report. As you can see, the credit posting has been correctly reflected under the retail customer's account. If we had selected home delivery or regular as the bill type instead, even then the credit posting would still be made under the retail customer's account.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.